Experience powerful sound with the JBL Tune 720 BT. Enjoy deep bass, wireless freedom, and up to 76 hours of battery life, perfect for non-stop music, calls, and everyday listening on the go. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the JBL Tune 720 BT headphones, USB-C charging cable, detachable audio cable, and user manual. How to wear. Wear the headphones with the L logo on your left ear and the R logo on your right ear. Adjust the length of the headband should fit comfortably. How to charge. You can locate the USB-C port on the device, and when you plug in a USB-C cable like the one I'm using from my phone, you'll notice the indicator light turns red, which means the device is currently charging. Once the light changes to green, it indicates that your device is fully charged. How to pair. Download the JBL app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your JBL headphones. To pair your JBL Tune 720 BT, press and hold the power button on the right ear cup until it enters pairing mode, then open Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, select Pair New Device, choose your JBL headset from the list, and connect instantly. First, make sure your JBL Tune 720 BT headphones are already connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Next, open the JBL Headphones app and allow all necessary permissions when prompted. Once inside the app, tap on the plus icon and select Get Started to complete the setup and unlock all features, including sound customization, battery monitoring, and full headphone controls. Smart features? The JBL Headphones app gives you full control over your sound experience. Easily adjust EQ settings, customize audio profiles, and manage features right from your smartphone for a fully personalized listening experience in seconds. Multi-point connection lets you stay connected to two devices at the same time. You can smoothly switch between your phone and laptop without missing calls or stopping your music. Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity for a faster, more stable wireless connection. It ensures smooth audio streaming with lower latency and improved power efficiency for a better listening experience. VoiceAware lets you hear your own voice during calls for more natural conversations. You can also take hands-free calls with clear audio using the built-in microphone without needing to touch your phone. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the JBL Tune 720 BT headphones from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your JBL Tune 720 BT headphones. See you at the next one.